Guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today in this video, we were gonna understand that how you can enable your trading view paper trading account in trading view. So make sure that you watch the video till the end. That will be one of the shortest video in channel, because I am just going deep down onto the topic without talking so much about other things. So make sure that you watch till the end. So let's start. You have to just simply came on the website of TradingView. Okay, so how you can do that? Just leave me from there and okay, let's open another tab, and you have to just simply search here tradingview.com. Click on that and your interface will open like that. If you haven't created any account here, you have to create an account here. Okay, and if you want to you know select any kind of the chart, it could be Bitcoin, it could be Nifty, also it could be any forex pair, whatever it is. I'm just taking an example of Bitcoin. Okay, so if you see that the current Bitcoin price is about 62,765 dollar, and so if you want to enable it here, you will see this is a trade button here. You have to just simply click on that here, and if you want to connect with TradingView with any of the broker that you have used. Okay, so if you used Dhan, then you can also in adjust and connected your account via TradingView. If you're using Delta, IND, whatever, Angel One, whatever, Kotak Neo, whatever the broker you have used, you have to just simply search here if it available in TradingView, right? So we're just doing here a paper trading. So you have to just simply click on that, and it takes a little bit of time, and you have to just simply click on the connect button, right? So after completing that positions, you will see that there is a section of paper trading. So okay, so you have to just simply click on that here. So if you see that I was doing paper trading since a very long time, and I'm not doing it now, but if you see, and यहाँ पर अब मैं अगर full कर दूंगा तो you will see that मैं पहले trade लेता था. This is a trade in oil, and this is gold, and if you see that there will be a forex pair also. So okay, so that was it. That is how you will see, and it gives you about I think if I'm not wrong, 1 lakh dollar it gives you. That is completely fictional, that is completely paper trading. You will not receive any of the profits that if you have earned, and you have no losses. This is actually for the beginners who want to explore that how to buy, how to sell. Okay, so in the live that is Bitcoin, which is 24 into 7 open, and if I have to trade here, then I have to just simply calculate that this is a strong support positions which I'm seeing, and this is also a support positions where price is just moving around. And if I will sell here, okay, so that if supposedly my analysis say that I have to sell here, price will move down from here. So you have to just simply click on the sell positions. You have to just select how much money you have to trade on. Then I have to just simply delete it and press it one, which is approximately I think 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh USD. Just click on the sell, and then your price is done. If you want to create your TP here, then you will see that this is a TP. If you want to see that price इधर तक आ सकता है, and if you want to create your SL there, then you will see that price इधर तक जा सकता है. Okay, so 74,000. So just click on confirm that, and here is your trade is ready on. प्राइस अगर नीचे जाता है आपका एस एल सॉरी आपका टीपी अपर हिट हो जाएगा. प्राइस अगर ऊपर जाता है आपका एस एल अपर हिट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज यू आर सेलिंग फ्रॉम हेयर, राइट. So that is how paper trading is actually done, and I hope you get it. And if you have any query, ask me in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer them, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.